accepted them with a lot of love, and he lets me do what I want to do.
I
And
don't
he
know. I don't
empowers
know.
me.
He may let you do what you have to do, but I am petrified of him because I remember his paranoia of no image getting out, of him not wanting to be at your house because he used to say, "I'm not coming to your house. Press hoga niche," and I was like, "Yeah, press nahi hai." So like he's just so hyper. I remember when you all were getting married, and I was one of the 18 people at the wedding, and he turned on and told me that if the wedding information leaks, it will be only because of you, as in me. Because others don't know anybody else. You're the only person who has access to the outside world. Remember, if any trickle of information that leaks, it will be your fault. And I will never forget how stressed I was because I remember Two States was releasing and I had to tell everyone I'm leaving to go out, and everybody felt I was being insensitive to Two States. Why am I going on the release day of a film that is so close to my heart, a film that is a Dharma production film? I'm leaving. I said, I'm going, I have an event in.
Even my wedding was 2 states.
Yeah, it was Two States.
2 states, you're going to the
I
other.
was going from one Two States to the other, and I remember I was lying through my teeth to everybody, and I told everyone I'm going to Manchester. And the first thing I do is I bump into Dabu uncle, Chimpu, and Chintu uncle at the lounge. And there's a कहाँ जा रहा है? And I was at the wedding was actually in Italy, so I was saying मैं Manchester जा रहा हूँ. So Chintu uncle has done a Spanish Inquisition. Manchester को planes जाते हैं? कब जाते हैं, कैसे कनेक्शन जाते हैं, कौन से ट्रांजिट से जाते हैं, कौन से टर्मिनल से जाते हैं. आई वाज लाइक आई एम लाइंग एंड देन फाइनली दे कम एट द लाउंज एंड दे वर गोइंग समवेयर एल्स एंड दे सेड योर फ्लाइट टू इटली एंड ही सेड तू तो इटली नहीं जा रहा, तू तो मैनचेस्टर, तूने झूठ क्यों बोला. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ गॉड, लाइक आई वाज सो स्ट्रेस्ड, यू नो. एंड आई रिमेंबर दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइपरनेस दैट आई हैव बिकॉज आई एम पेट्रिफाइड ऑफ योर हस्बैंड एंड आई स्टिल एम even now. I know you have nothing to do with it, but even now when he calls me and he says Karan Johar, I know I'm going to get fired. He says my full name only when he has to reprimand me, and I'm 53 and I still.